Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will check, clean and show you about various vehicles here. បាទបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាឥឡូវយើងធ្វើការមក check ឡានផ្សេងៗបាទឡានទី1គឺឡានពណ៌ក្រហមប្រភេទ off road ឥឡូវយើង check បាទ check ឡានទី2 Mobil tanky បាទអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នានេះគឺ Mobil tanky បាទ Mobil tanky ឬក៏ tank truck ប្រភេទឡាន sedan A yellow racing car បាទ yellow racing car Let's go បាទ yellow racing car A red police car បាទ A red police car ឡានប៉ូលីសពណ៌ក្រហមបងប្អូនបាទឡានប៉ូលីសពណ៌ក្រហម Next one A bigger mobil truck បាទ bigger mobil truck បាទឬក៏ truck យើងហ្នឹងបាទ truck ឡានដឹកដីរបស់យើងហ្នឹងបាទនេះគឺ mobil truck ឬក៏ truck ហ្នឹងOkay, next one. Another truck. Another truck. Bigger truck. បាទនេះឡានដឹកដីមួយទៀត Red police motorbike. Super motorbike. Super motorbike. Everyone. Very nice motorbike. Okay, now check the next one. Mobil tanky បាទ Mobil tanky បាទឡាន sedan ឬក៏ tank truck បាទ tank truck A mini racing car number 8 A mini racing car number 8 Yellow color Next one Garbage truck Garbage truck ប្រភេទឡានសម្រាមអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាបាទប្រភេទឡានសម្រាម Mobil truck បាទ Mobil truck អ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នានេះគឺ Mobil truck ហើយបាទឬក៏ truck ឡានដឹកដីយើងហ្នឹងOkay, everybody, I should finish my video right now. But before I finish, I want to know you love it or not. If you love my video, please write down below. Like and especially click the subscribe button to show your feeling to my video. So now thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye. Good luck. Don't forget to enjoy your day. Be happy every time, everywhere. Okay, goodbye.